Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the parts of speech. There are actually 8 parts of speech, and if you want to know what those are, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any other content that this platform has to offer you. Hi everyone, so today we are looking at parts of speech. Without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So, parts of speech, there are 8 parts of speech in the English language. They help us to structure a grammatically correct sentence. They each function differently in a sentence, and we will look at them in different types of sentences. So stay tuned and find out how they function. So these parts of speech, we have verbs, adjectives, pronouns, nouns, adverbs, prepositions, interjections, conjunctions, and that's it. Okay. First one, let's look at what a verb is. A verb is a word that shows action. It is a doing word. So in verbs, we have, for example, sing, speak, run, write, learn, dance, etc. The list is endless. In the sentence, the verb here is sing. Let's look at the sentence first. Leah will sing at the talent competition tonight. The verb here is sing. Samuel can speak 4 languages. The verb in the sentence is speak. Let's move on to the next one, an adverb. An adverb is a word or phrase that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. The adverb tells us where, when, how, or how often. For example, early, hard, yesterday, quickly. We have 2 sentences to look at the function of adverbs. Everyone arrived early this morning. In the sentence, early is the adverb. He writes very neatly. In this sentence, neatly is the adverb. This early describes it describes when people arrived. And neatly describes how this guy writes, because it's a he. The next one, adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, we have spicy, beautiful, new, lazy. Then we can have old, shabby, rickety, all that jazz. Okay. So in this sentence, we have 2 sentences. We ate spicy noodles for lunch. Spicy describes the noodles. Jamie bought a beautiful dress for her matric dance, and beautiful describes the dress, which is the noun. Adjectives, I would like to think of them as words that add color to your sentence. Let's move on. What is a noun? A noun identifies or names a person, place, an object, or an idea. We have different types of nouns which we will look at in the next coming videos. For example, here we have table, pencil case, mpo, Thailand, okay, as nouns. The table is damaged. Okay, so the noun here in the sentence is table. Mpo is moving to Thailand. In this sentence, we have 2 nouns, and these nouns are proper nouns. Okay, they are the names. So Mpo is the name of a person, and Thailand is the name of a country. Let's move on to pronouns. Pronouns replace the name of a person, thing, place in a sentence. For example, she, it, I, they, our, etc. Lihle is thoughtful. She carried my bag for me. The pronoun in this sentence is she. I am going to the mall. The pronoun in the sentence is I. Okay, so instead of saying my name, Mrs Qaoka, I will just say I am going to the mall, not Mrs Qaoka going to the mall. Do you get the gist of it? Okay, now let's move on to prepositions. Prepositions are a word that expresses a relation between a noun, a pronoun, and some other word or element in a sentence. Ooh, that is a long definition. A preposition, in the 2 sentences, we have the dog is under the table. The relationship between these 2 nouns, the dog and the table, is under. Where is the dog? Under the table. He left after lunch. And the preposition or the relation between he and lunch is after. Does that make sense? Now the last one. Oh, it's not the last one, the second last one. We have conjunction. It connects clauses, words or phrases in a sentence. For example, although, and, therefore, yet. We have done conjunctions in the previous video, so if you don't understand this one, go back to that video. In the sentence, we have I like tea and she likes coffee. So, and is the conjunction in the sentence because it is linking two clauses together and making them a sentence. The last part of speech, we have interjection. An interjection are words that are grammatically independent of the words around them. They express strong emotion, usually followed by an exclamation. For example, we have ouch, yay, yippee, congratulations, etc. In these two sentences, we have yummy, that looks tasty. And the second one, congratulations, you did it. So yummy can stand by itself and function because it makes sense to say yummy if something looks good without saying that looks yummy. Does that make sense? And congratulations, if I walk up to somebody and say congratulations, they will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, I hope that has given you more perspective into what parts of speech are, and stay tuned and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the elaboration of all these parts of speech.